The display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra has changed. This is one of the first looks at the phone, and this is how it looks from the back. This picture shows that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have one of the thinnest bezels on the market. Ice Universe also said that the S24 Ultra will have the biggest middle frame and the thinnest bezels. The middle frame is 1.85mm thick, which is the biggest middle frame ever. The bezel is only 1.52mm thick. Besides the display bezels, which now come with the titanium, he also added this to the main frame and the display bezels. He also says that you shouldn't buy the black S24 Ultra because the borders will look like they are 3.4mm wide. This can happen with the S24 Ultra for a few different reasons. First, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's main frame is bigger now that it has a flat screen. We also saw symmetrical borders, which look great on the S24 Ultra because the screen was flat. Now that you know the color options, these are the official renders of the S24 Ultra. But there is one thing you didn't see in these colors. None of the models of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have black outer bezels. Even the black model has a slightly gray bezel instead of a completely black one. The other color options are titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray, and all of them were supposed to have a matching middle. The cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra are getting better, and Ice Universe has revealed that they have new AI features. According to Ice Universe, the new camera software for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is slowly getting better. The camera is working well, but he didn't say which sensor was working better because the telephoto sensor was doing so badly before. It looks like Samsung is fixing the 5x50 megapixel on the S24 Ultra at 10x zoom, but people are still worried about the 100x zoom on the S24 Ultra. He also said that the AI of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is different from what you see and has many original ways of priests, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra will officially go on sale on January 17th, and this date has been set. Following the event, you will be able to pre-order the phone. The phones will be on sale on January 30th. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.